The second thing that we talk about when we are talking about investment, after we have talked about return, we need to talk about risk. And that is my second factor that we'll try check and see how it goes along the 4 investment vehicles that we are discussing. So when it comes to risk, let's start from the other end, because we know that for sure government securities are considered to be low risk. So that you can feel for sure that is a low risk investment, because before the government gets to default, it means that the financial system of that country will be in a ruin, because the government has ability to take another debt to pay for the debts that are getting due, and the government will do anything to pay its debt obligation. So before it gets to the point that the government is defaulting, I believe that that entire economy will not be working. So we can say that a government securities are low risk. When it comes to the other 3, they are also low risk investment, but they are conditional. Conditioned by this one factor, that you choose the correct institution. Because in Kenya, I think right now we have about 38 commercial banks. I think we have over 30 fund managers in Kenya, and we have quite a number of SACCOs. A lot of them, not quite a number, a lot of them. So on the matter of risk, it all depends with the bank that you choose. Of course, there are a lot of risk that comes with all these factors, because when we talk about banks, we can say the risk is not about the banks collapsing, but think of things like fraud risk, where your money is subject to fraud, and a lot of risk that can be involved. But for all these, it depends with the bank that you get to choose. And also remember that we have regulators that regulate each of them. For the banks, we have the Central Bank of Kenya. For the money market fund, we have the Capital Market Authority. And for the SACCOs, we have SASRA. So going by the factor that you will choose a good institution, we can also rate the 3 to be low risk. I hope you agree with me.